Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make a restore point and confirm Windows updates won't interrupt repairs. Plug in or swap keyboards to rule out hardware. If an external keyboard works, the device is likely fine. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and look for Windows Explorer, Search, and Start-related processes. Once done, restart Windows Explorer to refresh shell components. These initial checks remove easy causes and prepare the system so the deeper fixes later will be effective and reversible. Now you'll act on the core system pieces. Restart Windows Explorer and kill any stuck Search UI. EXE to force a fresh start. Open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the Start menu and search app packages using the appropriate addapps package/register commands. This repairs corrupted app registrations. Next, open Services. MSC and ensure Windows Search is running and set to automatic, delayed start, so indexing isn't blocked. These steps restore the background services that actually power the key and search function. Finish by repairing system files. Run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to fix corrupt components that re-registering missed. Reboot after each. If problems persist, create a new local administrator account to see if the issue is profile-specific. Log into it and test the Windows key and search. If that works, migrate data. If not, perform an in-place repair install using installation media to keep files. Troubleshooting tip. If an in-place repair doesn't help, collect logs and boot into safe mode to test drivers and third-party software interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.